Hello, hello. Okay, have you ever gotten this question? You want to know the previous 7 days of something and you want to compare it. And how do you do it? I'm going to show you that. Now, there are some problems and you kind of need to do it in the ETL, but let's take a look. So LBG123, this is for you. This goes out to you. LBG is saying, I'm working in a mega table transposing beast mode to get daily KPIs. I would like to get the comparison of these daily KPIs to the average 7 day preceding them, current date, current value, minus 7 day average divided by 7 day average. Okay, no problem. I'd like this beast mode to appear in the column next to the daily values for each day. Just not sure how to get it and all this stuff. Okay, pros and cons. So this view with the transpose is going to be a little tricky because we're only doing 7 days, but let me show you an example. Maybe this is what you're asking for. I'm a little unclear, but hopefully we can get it. So I have this. I made this ETL, and I'd like to run a preview to show you. So in here, I have data like this. I have give me the date, a bunch of stuff in here, and we're only going to pick on date and revenue to make our life easier. So I have a bunch of dates in here. I have revenue. Okay. So the first step is I make this formula. I put something called proxy. I do this all the time, just a 1. So now what this does is this puts a 1 everywhere. And I did this previous 7-day flag. I said, hey, when the date is greater, remember the date is this field, then cur date, meaning today, minus 7, or greater than or equal to, then go put a 1. Otherwise, go put a 0. So if I have there was a 1, I saw, and boom, 7-8, it's 7-11 today. Go get your Slurpees. It's within that 7-day part. Okay, so then I put a filter on here, and I say I only care about days that are within the 7-day part. No big deal. And the last piece is you have to do a group by because it's an aggregate thing. So you can't do any aggregate functions in formulas. You have to do it in a group by. So now I have this proxy and I have the 7-day average of revenue. So then I only got one line, a 1, and this is the last 7 days, 23,000. And this will always update every single day if there's new data coming in every day, right? The average will move and start changing. Then we just join it on proxy and proxy. Cool. Put it all together, boom, boom, pow. We got this thing. So let's go take a look. If I go run this, and again, I think this is maybe what you're asking for, but we will see if I am accurate. All right, fantastic. That ran. I'm going to go here to my overview spot, previous 7 day. Cool. And I limited this to just 10 days. So now I have, hey, here's what my number is. So for 710, it's 5,612. The average for my 7 days is 23. So we need it to be all the way here. Remember, SQL is not like Excel. It can't look up or down. It can only look across. So we need to put all these average numbers on every row across that it can do some math. Now what I could do this percentage difference thing. So we could do percentage diff. We could say, give me revenue minus previous day, that whole thing, minus old over old, basically, divided by previous 7. And green is good. Boom, boom, pow. Throw that in here. And there you go. There's a difference of that. So that's that way. If you want to transpose it, that's a little tricky depending how you have the data. So if I go here and I go to transpose, I guess you could do it this way. I don't know if I recommend it, but you have the options. Anyway, okay, there you go. Also, if you go to my website, dashboarddudes.com/pantry, I have videos on everything that I've answered. And if you hit this little playlist thing, you can see every possible thing that I've answered. Hopefully, it might help you out. Cool. And lastly is I have a course on how, for you or for anybody else watching, on me teaching Domo stuff. I have intro to Domo bricks there. I'm going to do a data science one very, very, very soon, and a marketing one that's coming up as well. So take a look, let me know, and I hope this helped you. All right, good luck.